people. I trust you well. So these are just a video guide to show you as a PF how you can be able to add other or your projects in the FCP system. Because of the magnitude of the project that are coming, I saw that for us to fast track this so that every PF can be able to add their projects, and then this will enable them to be in the system. So without much ado, let's delve into the today's tutorial. So the first step you need to do is to come here to a menu called manage projects. So just click manage projects and then add projects. So when you add a project, just confirm the ones that are available. Okay, so if you've added a project, you'll see those that are available. If you don't see a project here, just come here and add a project. For example, let me say I'm adding a project like this, just testing. Okay, so I have that project number, and then I'll say testing environment, or testing CDC, or testing CDC. But here you type the name of the project that they have sent to you, and then you'll select the cluster, and then you'll select the region. Okay, just like that, and then you add. So you add, the project will be added here. Okay, so the project will be added here. So just confirm that the project has been added on the list. Okay, so after you've added the project in the project list or your project list, you now need to create a profile for that project. Okay, so creating a project is very simple. You just come here and then select that project. So you go, it will appear at the bottom because it's sorting them as you add them. So you'll select that project, project KE number, and then select the name of that project. This is testing CDC. And then you'll put the API key. API key say not registered, because these are tests. But remember, when you want to activate, now we can be able to activate that charge. But now for creating profile, it will be not registered. And then here you just say the region that you select. Also send ID, say not registered. Okay, so not registered as a capital letter, like capital letters, not registered, not registered, not registered. Then phone number, put the phone number of the admin. Okay, so put the phone number, use the phone number of the admin. So for this case, if you have a phone number, just put the phone number of the admin, and then email address, put the email address of that project, not the admin, but that project, because you are setting the project profile. So for example, KE testing at gmail.com. Okay, so like that, and then you select the cluster, and then now you choose. I know they have sent you the logos, so you'll choose from the logo that you've been sent. So you have a logo. If you have a logo, you can just choose the logo. So for now, I'll just choose this. So choose that, and then you say submit. Okay, so when you say submit, you've created the project. You've created the project profile, like here. So you'll see the project profile. So this is a project profile you have. So when you reach here, you have a project profile. So when you have a project profile like that, you can now come to manage user and then add user. Okay, so you add user. When you click add user, now when you click add user, you just come and select the CDC you've added. So this is testing CDC. You select that name, and then now select the role. So you are adding a CDW, that's the admin. Then you'll say his name, like for example, this is Loboko Loketo is the admin. Loboko Loketo maybe is the admin, but I'm not saying that you name those people. Loboko Loketo, I just love Loboko Loketo, as it just sounds funny to me. So email may be loboko@gmail.com. so you put here you insert the email of the admin, then here the username of the admin. Okay, and then the phone number will be that of the admin. Okay, and then password, you can say a test password, and then they can now reset the test password when they log in. Okay, so you can use a test password here. So advisable one is use the name. Make sure you copy up to the Gmail, and then you can tell them the password you've placed here for them to come and change their password. Okay, just make sure that that password is not less than 8 characters, because if it's less than 8 characters, it will bring problems. So it should be more than 8 characters. The password that you give to them should be more than 8 characters. Please make sure that the password is more than 8 characters. Okay, so you've done that. You just click submit. All right, when you click submit, you're ready to go. Okay, so the profile will be created. So the job they just need to do is to they need to log in. Okay, so they need to log in. So I've set the dash. I've actually set out. I've set that up. I've set that up. So that's how it is. It's very simple. Just in case you have any question, I'll just repeat that process. The first one is you add project. Come here and add project and make sure that all your projects have existed. So you may want to add all of them first, or you may decide to add one, then you come and create the profile of that one, and then come and now add user to that profile. Once you do that, they will be able to log in with that password. So in case they can't log in, just tell them to say they have forgotten the password, and then they put the email address that they sent to you, and then an email will be sent to that email address for them to reset. So in case there is anything that is not clear, please let me know. So to repeat it again, okay, to repeat it again is not correct grammar. Correct grammar is to repeat it. So maybe if I rewind, kulikuwa na scratch pale. Come to manage projects, add project. Okay, that's the first step. So after adding a project, just make sure as a PF you have all your projects here. But after adding the projects here, come and create a project profile. Okay, create a project. After creating project profile here, after creating the project profile here, the next step is to create user. So you add user. Here is where you add the users, those who will be logging in. Just make sure that that is done to enable you to be able to do that. So in case you need any support or any clarification, please let me know and I'll be more than willing to support you. So thank you so much, guys, and God bless you. Bye for now. Thank you.